Elementary Japanese Lesson 15. I received flowers from my boyfriend.
彼氏に花をもらいました。
The use of
あげます。
and
もらいます。あげます。
It means to give, and the subject is the one who gives.
もらいます。
It means to get, or to receive, and the subject is the one who receives. Examples of sentences of
あげます。
1. I give a birthday present to my friend.
私は友達に誕生日プレゼントをあげます。
2. I give flowers to my girlfriend.
私は彼女に花をあげます。
Here, I
私
is the subject who gives, and the
に
is to someone. Examples of sentences of
もらいます。
1. I received a letter from my mother.
私はお母さんに手紙をもらいました。
2. I got this from my friend yesterday.
昨日これは私の友達からをもらいました。
Here, I
私
is the subject who receives, and the
に
or
から
is from someone. Challenge.
チャレンジ
1.
私は先生にペンをあげました。
How do you say it in English? 2. I received a notebook from my teacher last week.
日本語で何と言いますか？
Please feel free to write your answer in the comment section below. The tip is in the vocabulary box. How do you like it? I hope you have learned something from this YouTube video. Why not making a few of your own sentences with this? Please feel free to comment, and if you like this video, please give it a like and share it. Remember to subscribe to this channel as well. A big thank you for your support.